by the and lastly is public diplomatic, and this one is like Thai culture exchange, external operation for fluent communication between two countries. So yeah, so we have some quiz about this content.
Okay. First question is we do not have to reinforce UN Army because we are in peaceful situation. O and X.
I think no. X.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Thank you. Oh my god.
And okay. Second, Thai blah 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 operation for fluent communication between us is needed. You can find the answer in here. Cultural exchange, external operation. Yeah. Right. Thank you. Okay, so this is it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for giving me this gift. It's so cute.
Korean Korean traditional mark, so you can use this when you're
Reading books. Like it's just booklet.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. It's so cute. Thank you. See you guys if we can meet again. Well, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.